To another story tied to STEM, the private sector has been challenged to intensify efforts to break down the cultural and institutional barriers preventing women and girls from pursuing careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics fields STEM. Women in Tech Global Africa Regional Director Melissa Slymaker say there are systematic gender gaps in STEM despite significant progress in other areas of gender equality.
International organizations have long emphasized the need to eliminate the obstacles that affect women and girls in science-related disciplines. Barriers including entrenched stereotypes, lack of mentorship, gender bias, and insufficient institutional support have plagued Kenya's inclusion for women in STEM. Speakers during the Women in Tech Africa Summit emphasized the importance of collaboration between the government and private sector to accelerate change.
And just really creating opportunities for the future for our children. So by working in partnerships, we create projects like building learning centers in these rural spaces. We build IT hubs in schools.
For organizations that are already working with young girls and women in any capacity, it doesn't have to be in the technology capacity. Please join us. Let's partner to see how we can continue to accelerate action, but also drive forward the mission.
To accelerate progress, experts are advocating for increased investment in early education programs that challenge stereotypes, as well as corporate commitments to gender equality at all levels.
We are committed to the Women in Tech sponsorship. We've been running this for a couple of years across the African continent. We continue promoting the Girl Code program, which is also a Women in Tech program that promotes coding at a learning and developmental stage.
Frederick Muki for Lunchtime News.